Good evening, everybody. This is Ekta Saidul Malhotra at the Kid Do Mentoring Talk Show. Merry Christmas once again from me to all of you. Today, not only do we have two guests, but they are the twin brothers, as we all like to call them, the Rai brothers, Arya and Ayush. Arya is the one in the blue, and Ayush is the one in the red. And as you can see, both of them have a musical instrument in their hand, which is the guitar. Since class 5, they have been learning guitar from Trinity School of London. Creativity is in them. They love to draw. They are very compassionate, empathetic, helpful, and their mother says that she has never missed having a daughter because both these boys are so helpful, so caring, and they have all the traits of the good boys. So, with a warm welcome to the Rai brothers. So, Arya and Ayush, welcome to the Kiddo Mentoring Show. एंड हम थोड़ा बहुत आपसे जानना चाहेंगे आपके बारे में एक एक करके, क्योंकि आप दोनों हो तो ट्विंस एंड दोनों में केवल 1 मिनट का अंतर है. आर्य बड़ा है, आयुष छोटा है, जैसे कि उनकी मम्मी बड़ा बेटा और छोटा बेटा कहती हैं. दोनों ट्विंस होते हुए भी काफी समान हैं और काफी अलग हैं. तो हम दोनों से जानेंगे उनके बारे में. तो पहले आर्य को मौका देते हैं क्योंकि वो दुनिया में भी पहले आए थे.
Hello everyone, my name is Arya and I am studying in 9th standard in Indrapur Public School. So we have started learning guitar since 5th class.
1 मिनट का अंतर है. Sorry, please go ahead.
So we have started learning guitar since grade 5 and we also given 2 examinations of Trinity College London, which are grade 1 and grade 2. And I also love doing drawing and I have interest in cars, clothes, food. I am a very big foodie and I love traveling very much.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yes, Ayush.
So my name is Aisha, as you all know, and I'm in same class, 9th standard. We both are in the same section B since LKG. And I'm also a foodie. I love traveling and clothes, everything.
Wow. So you both are foodies like your mom, and both of you like shopping like your dad, right? तो हम आपके पैशन के बारे में भी थोड़ी देर में बात करते हैं. बट आप दोनों शुरू से एक ही क्लास में पढ़ते हो, राइट?
Yes.
क्या दोनों के बीच में कभी कंपटीशन होता है कि किसके ज्यादा मार्क्स आए, किसके कम आए?
Always.
Always. Wonderful. So you both are competition to each other, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. तो कौन ज्यादा अच्छा स्कोर करता है, आर्य की आयुष?
Arya. No.
आर्य.
Sometimes.
आयुष बराबर नहीं, मैं करता हूँ.
No. Sometimes Arya and sometimes me. No, 70% Arya, 30% Ayush.
Okay, wonderful. So honest both of you are. So you both have the same favorite subjects या अलग-अलग subjects आपको पसंद हैं?
Well, we don't have any favorite subject.
Okay, wonderful. So you're still to get there to choose your favorite subject.
Maths.
You like maths?
Little bit.
Okay, little bit. And what about Ayush?
Science.
Science. Okay, excellent, excellent. Okay, तो आप दोनों ने गिटार सीखना क्यों शुरू किया?
Because we had got inspiration from the Jimi Hendrix and Kirk Hammett, and because they were so many and they were like very popular, and the way they used to play guitar and interact with the audience gave us the confidence that we should also learn guitar and we should also be like them. So,
Wow.
so from them we started learning guitar since I have told from grade 5, and then our journey then started and it is going around.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल. सो दोनों को गिटार में इंटरेस्ट हुआ कि कभी ऐसा लगा कि क्योंकि एक कर रहा है तो मैं भी करूं, साथ में कर लेंगे, कि कुछ और भी कर सकता हूं?
No,
आयुष?
same.
वाओ, सुपर. तो आप लोग को ड्राइंग भी बहुत अच्छी लगती है, राइट? तो डू यू परस्यू ड्राइंग? आप लोग अभी भी करते हैं ड्राइंग? सो व्हाट डू यू लाइक टू ड्रॉ?
Well, now we don't have so much time, but yeah, because due to guitar practices and our syllabus, but sometimes if we get time, then we draw not very small pictures or any portraits. That's it.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Superb, superb, superb. So, before we go any further, we'd like to hear something from the two of you. So, I'm going to go off the screen so that you both are very clearly visible, and then I will join you back once you finish your, the music that you're going to play for us.
Okay.
It's all yours.
Okay. Start.
Awesome, superb, superb.
Thank
You
you.
guys play so well, so well. And I also know that both of you have your YouTube channel,
Yes.
right? So would you tell us about that? That why did you create that YouTube channel? How many times do you record a song, and how much time do you devote to your guitar practice?
So about the YouTube channel, we always used to see the YouTube channel of other guitarists, and we got the inspiration from them only. So during the lockdown, we thought that instead of wasting time, we should use our time very resourceful. And from that, I we started making our logo, and then we then started we then opened our YouTube channel 6th July, no? 6th July, yeah, 6th July. And from then we had started making videos, and we make videos every week, so that
Wow.
our audience can get the new musics, new genres, and everything.
So who's your inspiration? You mentioned the two of them, right? Any Indian musician who's an inspiration for you?
Well, A.R. Rahman and Arjit Singh.
ए आर रहमान एंड अरिजीत सिंह. तो आप लोग गाना भी गाते हो?
No, no. पहले गाते थे. We used to
आप
sing.
गाते हो?
गाते थे.
Oh,
We used to sing.
used to sing. So थोड़ा सा सुना दो, आयुष.
Uh, well, our voice is not like the singing, like the singers which they sing. बड़ी खराब गा.
चलो, आयुष का मन है गाने का. Come on, आयुष, go for it.
ठीक है, गा दूं.
हाँ.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. टाइम था ना. हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा. तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से भी हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो. Thank
सुपर
you.
सुपर सुपर, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। तो जब आप गिटार प्रैक्टिस करते हो, आजकल ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं, आप लोग क्लास 9th में हैं, soon you will be in 10th board year, and then 11th and 12th crucial years of education आएंगे। तो क्या आपने सोचा है कि कैसे आप अपने इस पैशन को, इस टैलेंट को परस्यू करोगे, एट द सेम टाइम आपकी पढ़ाई भी असर ना हो?
Uh, well, uh, we usually practice 1 hour every day, so that the sir, our sir, which he is taughting us, we can learn it very fast, and we can keep pace with his, uh, and we can perform, and we can do very well in our Trinity exams also. So we always practice 1 hour every day,
1 hour
and
every day, very
after
good.
board exams, then we will try to give half an hour every day.
ओके, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट। तो जब आप म्यूजिक क्रिएट करते हो, प्रैक्टिस करते हो, तो वो आपको कैसे हेल्प करता है? आप लोग इतने साल हो गए, पिछले 4 साल से आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, आपने अपना लेवल 1 लेवल 2 भी क्लियर किया है, तो आपने इसकी वजह से अपने अंदर क्या चेंजेस महसूस किए हैं?
Well, now we feel a little bit confident while we play guitar, or while we play in the concert, not concert, but competitions, and we are we learn the lyrics very fastly.
ओके, वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। एंड आयुष?
Now we can perform very well.
No, you can perform very well. Very good. So you're more confident about performing and playing it in front of anybody.
Yes.
Okay. So बड़े होके क्या आप लोग म्यूजिशियंस बनना चाहोगे या कुछ और ड्रीम्स हैं?
Well, I would like to become software engineer.
Software engineer. Wonderful. And what about Ayush?
Millionaire.
Millionaire. So how will you become a millionaire?
Try it. करेंगे कुछ भी.
कुछ भी करेंगे। दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। प्लीज आप मुझे भी बताएं कि कैसे मिलेनियर बनते हैं। आप कोई तो प्रोफेशन आप चूज करोगे जिससे आप मिलेनियर, वो तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बन के सिलिकॉन वैली में शायद जाके वहां पे ही मेक ऑल द बक्स दैट ही वांट्स टू। आप कैसे करोगे?
Little bit from music, food, etc.
मतलब यू विल बी लाइक अ मस्त मौला,
Yes, must mola.
enjoy life and at the same time figure out how the money is going to come your way. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, excellent. So when you started to learn guitar, besides the inspiration that you got from all these guitarists, मम्मी और पापा में से कौन था जो म्यूजिक का शौकीन था, जिसने ये सीड आपके अंदर डाला?
Well, both of them are very fond of music, and my
Okay.
mom sings very well. And whenever she gets time opportunity to perform in many competitions, then she takes part. And my father is very interested in music,
Uh-huh.
very
Very
interested.
good, very good, excellent. So दोनों मम्मी पापा में म्यूजिक का वो शौक है और अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उस चीज की, राइट? एंड आई थिंक एज मच एज आई नो दैट योर फादर इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर कि आप किस तरीके से अपने यूट्यूब वीडियो शूट करते हैं, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट होना चाहिए विद द प्रॉपर बैकग्राउंड एंड एवरीथिंग। Very good, excellent. So let's do some rapid fire questions, okay, quickly. First I'm going to ask Ayush. So Arya, अभी आयुष की टर्न है, okay? आयुष, मम्मी या पापा?
Mummy.
मम्मी। ओके। पाव भाजी की राजमा चावल?
Pav Bhaji.
ओके। फुटबॉल की क्रिकेट?
Football.
फुटबॉल। डांस और सिंगिंग?
Little bit singing, little bit dancing. Both.
ओके, वंडरफुल, एक्सीलेंट एक्सीलेंट। ओके। ड्राइंग अ पोर्ट्रेट और ड्राइंग अ कार्टून कैरेक्टर?
Drawing a cartoon character.
Cartoon character. So you are very wacky, huh? You like to be like a free flowing river कि मस्त है, जिधर रुख चल जलता है हम उधर की तरफ चल लेते हैं. Okay, wonderful. चलो, let's ask Arya. मम्मी की पापा?
Both.
Aha, there the diplomacy comes in. Okay. इडली सांबर की छोले चने?
छोले चने.
छोले, hardcore North Indian. Okay. Red or blue?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Cricket or hockey?
Cricket.
Cricket. Movies or picnic?
Movies.
Movies. So see, ladies and gentlemen, these are twins, but they are so different. One is clearly thinking about becoming a software engineer. The other is like a free-flowing river. We'll do something, we'll figure it out, and I'm going to become a millionaire. He's very clear about that he's going to be a millionaire. Excellent, excellent. तो आप लोग ड्रामेटिक्स में भी पार्ट लेते हैं, ड्रामा है ना, राइट? तो क्या हर बार आपको वो ट्विन वाले रोल्स मिलते हैं कि भाई आप दोनों एक दूसरे, यू नो, लाइक राम और श्याम टाइप्स, और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रोल्स डू यू रियली परफॉर्म?
तो सबसे पहली बार जब हम लोगों ने किया था तो हम लोग को राम श्याम ही मिले थे.
ओके.
क्योंकि twins है और वही, तो इसलिए राम और श्याम मिले थे. और बाद में and then उसके बाद तो ऐसा कुछ कभी रोल नहीं मिला. एक बार हम लोग को मिला था रोल, तो उसमें हम लोग का पेड़ बनना था.
पेड़ बनना था. ओके. यू नो, एक्चुअली अगर किसी को पेड़ बनने का रोल मिलता है ना, वो बहुत अच्छा रोल होता है, क्योंकि वो हमेशा पूरे यू नो क्या कहते हैं, ड्रामा के सीक्वेंस में हमेशा रहता है, वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर होता है, राइट? सो यू गाइस रियली गॉट अ वेरी गुड रोल. एक्सीलेंट, एक्सीलेंट. तो आप लोग बहुत मेथोडॉटिकल हैं, आप लोग हमेशा अपनी चीजें बहुत अच्छे से रखते हैं, राइट? यू आर वेरी सिस्टमैटिक, ठीक है? तो क्या आप हर एक चीज में बहुत सिस्टमैटिक हो, या कुछ ऐसी चीज है जिसकी वजह से मम्मी पापा से डांट पड़ती है कि ये क्यों ऐसे किया, ऐसे?
No, we're systematic in everything, from studies to household work, from everything.
Household work also you guys do? Wow, very good. So you must have really been very helpful during the lockdown time to your parents. Okay. So what is that one habit? एक कोई ऐसी हैबिट आप दोनों की इंडिविजुअली बताना जो आपको नहीं अच्छी लगती.
About Ayush, I would say that he always, whenever there is a homework or any assignment, he always copies my work.
Okay. और अपने बारे में?
अपने बारे में, well, I don't copy anyone's work. I do my own.
But there was something that you don't like about yourself.
He sometimes copies from the internet.
Okay. And what does Ayush have to say about Arya?
He's very angry.
He's very angry. Oh, angry man. Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, wonderful. So जब आप खाली बैठे होते हो घर पे, तो क्या करते हो?
Sometimes we play guitar and sometimes we play on iPad.
So with the help of the music that you create, with the help of the music that you create, what would be your message to youngsters, to teenagers like you? क्या आप उनको कोई मैसेज देना चाहो?
Message that they should learn music. That they should also learn music, because music lets you release the stress and is very helpful. And we would like to share peace and harmony among everyone through our music.
Right, right. And if you get a chance, will you like to teach people music, how to play a guitar? Would you like to take classes?
Yeah, sure. Yes, sure.
Yes.
But now we are not certified for that. We have to give the grade 3 exams, then we will become a teacher. No, not
yet. So after you take the grade 3, you will become teachers to teach.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So I also know that your mom is a healer, and along with her, both of you also bless the earth every day or whenever you have the opportunity to do so. So when you do that, one, how do you do it? And what is the feeling that you get when you do this?
So firstly, we invoke for the blessings from our master, from Grandmaster Chokoksi, Mount Kailash, and from a god, from our parents and everyone. Then we bless the earth by saying that everyone on this earth is healthy, happy,
And there should be peace.
and there should be peace, and this and that, and the corona has gone. That corona is not in here; it doesn't exist.
Hmm.
And then after that, we feel very light and feel very happy
Hmm.
after doing that.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So that's so nice, those very positive and good values that your parents have imbibed in you. नहीं तो आजकल के जो यंग बच्चे होते हैं उनको इस चीज का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ में आता है, एंड आप लोग यहाँ पे पीस की बात कर रहे हो, हार्मनी की बात कर रहे हो, यू आर ब्लेसिंग द अर्थ डे इन एंड डे आउट along with your mother. That's very well, very very good. So big round of applause for your parents to imbibe such good values. So if you have to extend your gratitude to someone, अगर आप किसी को थैंक यू बोलना चाहोगे, तो who would that one person or maybe a couple of people who you would like to thank who have made a difference in your life, and what kind of a difference have they made?
Our mom and dad.
Mom and dad, my friends. Because firstly, our mom and dad, they encourage us every time, and
They are very supportive.
they are very supportive. And about the friends, whenever we play guitar or whenever we get stuck in something, they always help us.
Okay. Same for Ayush also.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to ask Ayush again if he wants to change his mind. What does he want to become when he grows up?
Very difficult question. Mm, Say millionaire.
Millionaire. Millionaire. Okay. Okay. Wonderful. So, so the question and extension to this question is ki Arya wants to be a software engineer and Ayush wants to be a millionaire. Why not a guitarist?
Because for doing that, the line is very difficult for guitarists, and to become a very good and very popular guitarist, and we don't give too much. Like, I don't think guitarist as a profession.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it's
but
more of a passion that you are following.
Passion.
Okay. So, see, no talent is fulfilled or is achieved unless there is passion, and no passion alone cannot take you places, right? So it always has to be a combination of the two. Talent भी होना चाहिए, passion भी होना चाहिए, दोनों चीजें होनी चाहिए, right? तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आप में talent ज्यादा है कि passion ज्यादा है?
passion.
पैशन, पैशन है. तो आपने पैशन को अपना वो स्ट्रॉन्ग वेपन बनाया है, इसके बेसिस पे आप अपना टैलेंट को बेटर 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 करते जा रहे हो. सो आफ्टर ग्रेड 3, जो आप, आई एम श्योर वेरी सून यू विल टेक योर ग्रेड 3 एग्जाम्स, व्हाट आफ्टर दैट?
After we give our grade 4 exam.
Okay, that's okay, that's simple. So how many grades are there in guitar, to be like an exceptional guitarist?
There are total 8 grades.
Oh,
From
okay.
the grade to the top is grade 8. Total, no.
And there are many more grades also after grade
Many
8.
more grades also. Okay, okay, wonderful. So, आप गिटार प्ले करते हो, आप ड्राइंग करते हो, आप बिल्कुल गुड बच्चे हो, मम्मी पापा की हेल्प करते हो, राइट? बट आप दोनों कराटे में भी ऑरेंज बेल्ट हो.
Yes.
एंड आर्य को, जैसे कि आयुष ने बोला कि वो एक वीक पॉइंट है कि आर्य को गुस्सा आता है, बट आयुष को नहीं आता है गुस्सा, राइट?
नहीं आता, इसको भी आता है.
इसको भी आता है. तो आपने आप अभी भी कराटे परस्यू कर रहे हो या छोड़ दिया है?
छोड़ दिया है.
क्यों?
कराटे इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था कभी भी.
इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगा?
कभी नहीं.
But karate is very, very essential to learn. Because if you learn, you will be strong. It will help you align your mind and body. And जब आप guitar play karte ho, which is very soothing, and with that little bit of aggression that karate will bring in, you will be able to completely nail it. And not only that, you will be responsible citizens. कभी किसी को आपकी help की जरूरत पड़े तो आप दोनों, like the Rai brothers are there to protect and to create peace and harmony in all over the country and the world. You must pursue that also, more from a point कि आप और agile होगे, आप versatility होगी आपके अंदर, and you will it just kind of broadens your perspective. The way music de-stresses you, it will actually help you. So आप लोग इतना सारा कुछ करते हो. I mean, amazing. At 15, you guys are doing so much, and it was amazing to read about you कि कैसे आप दोनों अपने parents की help करते हो, because that is something that is missing in most young children these days. You are young boys, teenagers, they have their own life to live. उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि क्या दीन दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है, मस्त रहते हैं. But आप लोग इतना कुछ करते हो, which is very very commendable. And when you do so many things and you talk about it, तो आप एक तरीके से लोगों को mentor करते हो. आप उन्हें बताते हो कि आप अपना पैशन परस्यू कर सकते हो, अपने टैलेंट को आप एक राह दिखा सकते हो कि कैसे आप उसको कर सकते हो. तो मम्मी पापा हमेशा आपको इनकरेज करते हैं गिटार के लिए, प्ले करने के लिए?
Always.
Wonderful, wonderful. So any message you would like to give to the teenagers?
Firstly, they should learn guitar and they should help their parents as much as they can.
Excellent.
Because they do so much for us, then why don't we help them, and why can't we do anything from them?
For them.
Yeah.
Very good, very good. That's such a beautiful thought, that they do so much for us. Why can't we just do that basic thing of helping them? So what drives Arya? Arya को क्या motivate करता है?
Motivate? Nothing. My parents motivate me.
Your parents motivate you. And what about Ayush?
Everyone.
Good job. Very good. तो अगर आपको दोनों को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले कहीं ट्रैवल करने के लिए, तो आप कहाँ जाना चाहोगे और क्यों?
I would like to go to Switzerland because it's a very very beautiful place.
Wow, Switzerland. Okay. And what about Ayush?
New Zealand.
New Zealand. Wow, that's another beautiful place. So I'm sure Arya, you should always be friendly with Ayush, because he's the one who's going to make the millionaires and who's going to get you to go to Switzerland along with him. When he goes to New Zealand, you can go to Switzerland, right? Super. Very good, very good. That's so nice. It is amazing to see that young boys like you are so talented, are so passionate about what you do, and आप बहुत good बच्चे हो. Like those sweet children who are very very good value system, bilkul respectful, and that is something which in itself is very very inspirational for a lot of youngsters to see that you are not those typical teenage boys जिनको सिर्फ मस्ती करनी है. आप अपने टैलेंट आपका है, एक पैशन है, उसको आप परस्यू कर रहे हो, आप मदद भी करते हो पेरेंट्स की, पढ़ाई भी करते हो, एंड धीरे धीरे यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ में, है ना? So that's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. So guys, keep up the good work. Continue to learn guitar. Do the drawing. Don't give up on drawing. आप करते हो, अपनी कोई भी ड्राइंग आपने की है, आप प्लीज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे रिक्वेस्ट योर मॉम टू शेयर देम, या कोई ड्राइंग अगर आपने ये है आपके पास, आप दिखाना चाहोगे?
This is my doodle art.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
And this is another Music is Life.
Wonderful.
And this is my doodle art.
Amazing. Yeah, you guys are really blessed, man. You guys are really very very talented.
This is Avengers doodle art.
Oh, so you're an Avengers follower.
Yes.
Oh, how could I forget to ask you about the superheroes? So you guys also follow all the superheroes. So Avenger is a favorite.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so what is different about the two of you? You know, abhi tak mostly except for that software engineer and a millionaire and that chole chawal and I think
Pav
rajma
bhaji.
chawal. Sorry,
Pav bhaji. Pav
pav
bhaji.
bhaji. Except for that, बाकी and आर्य ने बोला मम्मी पापा दोनों और आयुष ने बोला मम्मी. उसके अलावा आप दोनों में क्या डिफरेंट है? यू नो यू आर ट्विंस, आप एक जैसे दिखते हो. आई गेस अगर मैं आपसे नहीं पूछती थी कौन आर्य है कौन आयुष है तो मैं शायद नहीं जान पाती थी कौन कौन है. तो आप दोनों में डिफरेंट क्या है?
डिफरेंट तो कुछ ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं. स्टाइलिंग में थोड़ा डिफरेंट है.
स्टाइलिंग में डिफरेंस है. कौन ज्यादा स्टाइलिस्ट है?
Yeah, Ayush. Me.
Ayush is other stylist. Okay. So we have Ashita Mathur who's saying that please share a clear picture of the doodles. So please request your mom to take pictures and share it on the platform. We'd love to see it more closely. And it will be lovely if you can share your YouTube link also. And you can, you know, by what name do you have it? Rai Brothers, right?
My brothers.
Rai Brothers. So, ladies and gentlemen, all of you who are watching, you would love to subscribe to Rai Brothers YouTube channel. These guys are putting tremendous effort to play the guitar, and you know there are some amazing songs that they have uploaded. They are fabulous. They are so creative. You can see that you know guitar and the doodling, the drawing that we just saw. Very very helpful, empathy, concern, blessing the Mother Earth, and so much more that these two twin brothers have in them. In any and every way, both of you are very, very inspirational. And it is, I feel privileged to have you both on my show. And, you know, you are this is our third show. And it is amazing to see the amount of talent that you youngsters have, and I'm so glad that there are so many opportunities that are available for you all to hone up your skills and you know to live up to the passion and the talent. So guys, keep up the good work. Don't give up on guitar, whether you be a software engineer or a millionaire. Jo bhi aap bano, you must always have music with you because that will define you. So we also have Ela who is saying that she has heard you and she follows you on YouTube and you both are fabulous. We have
Yeah.
Meghna who's saying that you guys are inspirational and you know a lot of love is being poured here on Facebook for you guys. So be blessed, take care, and continue to do the amazing work. And thank you so much for being on our show, sharing your journey with us. And you know, I have already subscribed to your YouTube channel. In fact,
Yeah.
I must also share that these boys were very, very generous to have once played a song on my request, and they were absolutely amazing. And my entire family, my extended family was there, and everybody was full of praises for both of them. So, guys, big, big round of applause for both of you. Superb, and many congratulations to your parents, Shweta and Mr. Rai. And do congratulate them from my behalf and say a big thank you. Give them a big, big hug and say that, Mummy, Papa, thank you so much for making us who we are. Right? So take care, guys. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the festive time. And do share some of your videos, share the YouTube link and the doodling pictures also. We'd love to see them.
Merry Christmas, auntie.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. God bless you. Take care and bye bye. See you. We will be
Bye.
back again with another very interesting conversation with yet another inspirational child. I don't know whether I can call them child. These are teenage boys, but we have small children as well who will be coming in the show. And we also have a very interesting workshop coming up where you can sit at home and bake your own cake. So if any one of you would be interested to learn how to bake a cake, sitting at home with basic ingredients where even a child as young as 4 years old can make it, do join us on the 22nd of December. Till then, take care, be safe, and we will be back soon. And Merry Christmas, Ha ha,
Nice.
ho ho. Bye bye. Take care.